Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ibron and today I have this Samsung A03 core, and this phone has a boot loop. It cannot boot to the home page so that anybody can use the phone. So as you can see, I tried resetting it, but there is no way you can reset this phone from the recovery. So we need to open the phone and do a test point. So before I do, let me try and show you the boot loop again. It will still go back to the recovery once again without pressing anything, as you can see. So let's turn off the phone. So now I'm opening the phone, obviously, as you can see. So in a few minutes I will show you the location of the test point. This phone somebody has already tempered, so there were no screws at the back. So this pin you see right here is the test point pin. Just so you know, this phone is a Spectrum chipset. Okay, we are going to use Pandora software. So I open Pandora and click on these options and select the right model of this phone. This is A03 core, and click select at the bottom. Okay, so now let's go to Format tab in Pandora and click Erase FRP. So now this is the time for us to do the test point. So what I do is I pick my pickup tool and grind the test point pins and connect USB, and as you can see, it has been triggered successfully and everything is going on well. If you want to join our online training, it is very simple. Go to my profile. My website link is there, zebron.com. Go to zebron.com, register an account, log into your account, click on Order Now, Remote Services, and you will see the packages that we have there. We have basic, standard, and premium. You can also read the description to see the differences between the packages. As you can see, everything is done successfully, so I'm going ahead to set this phone up. Don't forget to go to my YouTube channel Zebron, subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Zebron.